Hello, how are you today? I hope everything is fine. Is it normal for a nursing mother to worry about her milk supply? Do you think it's enough for your little one? The good news is that most pregnant women can produce enough milk to meet their baby's milk needs. The proof is weight gain and regular wet diapers. There are times when a mother may want to know how to make more milk, whether her milk production is low or she just wants to increase her milk supply in preparation for going back to work. Maybe mother also knows that changing diet and consumption can encourage abundant milk production. This is a source of nutrients that can increase and facilitate milk production. 1. Katuk leaves. Sweet leaf bush/star gooseberry. Katuk, Sauropus androgynous, is a plant species that is widely found in Southeast Asia belonging to the genus Sauropus in the Phylanthaceae tribe. Sweet leaf bush are minor vegetables which are known to have the property of facilitating the flow of breast milk. The concentration of latigum substances in sweet leaf bush is believed to increase milk production. In addition, sweet leaf bush are rich in steroids and polyphenols which can increase prolactin levels. If the body's prolactin level is high, breast milk is produced quickly and smoothly. Mothers can eat sweet leaf bush by cooking or cooking fresh vegetables. Make sure the sweet leaf bush are handled properly so that the substances inside are not damaged. 2. Wheat. Oats have long been promoted as beneficial for breast milk production. There is little scientific evidence of its true effect. However, prolactation suggests that the increase in milk after consuming oats may be related to higher iron levels. 3. Bitter melon. Bitter melon, apart from its bitter taste, is also very useful for an even and abundant production of breast milk. Apart from that, this green vegetable also contains vitamin K, antioxidants and phytochemicals lutein which can thicken breast milk so that babies feel full quickly. 4. Carrots' high vitamin A content is not only good for eye health, but can also improve the quality of breast milk and is good for your baby. Carrots can be eaten boiled or made into carrot juice. By consuming carrots once a day, breast milk production will be smoother and of better quality. 5. Spinach. Iron-rich vegetables such as spinach can effectively increase the mother's iron levels. This is because low iron is associated with low dairy consumption. In general, it is important for nursing mothers to eat healthy while breastfeeding. Not only so that the baby gets good nutrition, but also so that the mother's own body can function properly. This includes eating a variety of whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, whole grains, and other foods. Thank you for watching. Hopefully today is better than yesterday.